Hey guys, this is a bike check for the Verde Theory 2010 model. So we got Animal, this is not stock, Animal, we got Animal grips, the Verde Theory Chromoly frame, dual gunner tires, 2.2 inch in the front, 1.95 stunners on the back. The front ones need to get replaced when you buy it stock. Cinema 777 single walled tires, rims. The Verde Chromoly steer tube with integrated bearings, race and tapered legs, forks. The integrated pivotal seat, the Verde plastic pivotal seat, Chromoly 8-inch rise handlebars, Tektro 907 back brakes, get that view right there, medium alloy lever, there. KMC Z410 chain. It's pretty nice. It's a job done. The Crankarm is a 3-piece tubular with Chromoly 175mm. It's pretty good. It comes in a flat red. That's the only color you can get it. And my awesome purple WallGo tires. Pedals, and that's the bike. It's pretty good. Stand it up. It's pretty good. Yep. Okay. Peace.